Hi, my name is Dean Elvert. I'm the kitchen's operations executive for Parker John's Barbecue and Pizza here at Relish Kitchen Store. I'm making our made-from-scratch peach cobbler dessert. Ingredients include fresh peaches, sugar, butter, milk, flour, salt, and baking powder. First step is add your flour. And then butter. You're going to mix that on low speed until well incorporated. Once those are well incorporated, you're going to take 2 cups of milk and add in the milk slowly. Sugar, salt, and baking powder. And as those are mixing, you would pre-grease our skillets. We'll pour the batter in there and then finish them with our peaches and bake at 325 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes.